Imagine a box filled to the brim with mixed Lego pieces, different colors, shapes, and sizes all jumbled together. It's chaos, right? And finding that one specific piece, a monumental task. This is akin to the disarray of physical documents in a business setting. The time and effort wasted in sifting through piles of paperwork to find one particular document can be staggering. Just like you wouldn't want to spend hours searching for one Lego piece, you wouldn't want your business wasting time on finding specific documents in a sea of paperwork. Imagine a child in their playroom surrounded by a sea of colorful Lego pieces. They begin to sort these pieces by color, shape, and type. Just as a child would organize their Lego collection, functions in a similar fashion. It commences with the conversion of tangible documents into a digital format, paralleling the act of a child picking up each Lego block and placing it in the correct pile. After scanning, these digital documents are then classified into various categories, much like how a child would sort Lego bricks by color, shape, or type. This makes it easier to locate the required document later. Lastly, the digitally transformed documents are stored for instant access. Visualize always having the right piece within reach. Isn't it simpler to find the specific Lego piece you need after sorting? Similarly, digitization makes retrieving specific documents as simple as pressing a button. With a sorted Lego collection, building your dream structure becomes swift, efficient, and enjoyable. Digitization, like sorting Lego, streamlines operations, making it easy to find and use the information you need when you need it. It saves time, reduces the need for vast physical storage, and provides additional security benefits. No more rummaging through stacks of paper. Just a few clicks and you have your data at your fingertips. In the end, a sorted Lego collection is not just about ease of building, it's about maximizing enjoyment and efficiency. Similarly, digitization isn't just about converting paper to pixels, it's about propelling your business into the digital future. Organized data can help your business reach new heights. Imagine the value of having all your data, just like your Lego pieces, sorted, organized, and ready at your fingertips. You can make the best decisions quickly and efficiently, not to mention the cost savings of the time. This can lead to increased productivity, improved service, and a competitive edge. It also opens up a world of possibilities for growth and innovation. It's like standing in front of your sorted Lego collection, with all the pieces you need to create something extraordinary or find something important hidden in your collection. With organized data, you can identify trends, make predictions, and drive innovation, propelling your business to new heights. In the end, just like a well-organized Lego collection can lead to the most amazing structures, a well-organized data system can lead to unprecedented business success. So, let's start sorting.